Zu tomba wo tomba ni zu so zu le tomba ni.
Take a moment before we dive into anything. Let go of that meditation, whatever you've done. Settle into your comfortable posture. Now let go of what came before and let go of what comes next. Just rest with awareness and kindness. Now bring to mind this simple question. What do I mean when I said I, me, the self? What comes up to you, to your mind? Of course, you may say I'm Vajrayogini or I'm Dakini. But before that, this automatic impulse, notice how quickly the mind reaches for something. I am da 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 da. A name, a body, a mind, a memory, a role. But is there anything, any one of these, the real, solid me? Just check. Can you point at anything, any of them saying, yes, this is me? Can you find such a thing under the ultimate analysis or your examining mind? Because if I exists in the way that we believe, we should be able to find it, right? So Buddhist wisdom teaches us that our deepest suffering, root of suffering, comes from this root mistaken, fixed idea about the self as the inherently existing self. Even me, self, I are momentarily appearing, disappearing. There's no such a thing called fixed me in here. Is that the result of your examination, analysis? Just bring this exercise to your direct experience. I thought that I am me, what I thought, but then I couldn't find it. We are looking for the mode of existence, how the self exists. This is called the emptiness of inherent existing self. Just let go this fixed idea of the self, ordinary perception, grasping onto self. Let it dissolve into the vast ocean of Vajrayogini's wisdom. Okay, so same way I want you to do the same phenomena, appearance, briefly examine emptiness of the self-existing, inherently existing stuff. It appears dependently, depend on causes and the conditions, parts and the whole, and most importantly, exists as an imputation. Your mind imputed. Your mind creates the world. This insight-dependent arising is what emptiness points to. Okay, so throughout today's journey, just let go of this ordinary self, grasping, and let it dissolve the tight grip of the grasping, and also, self-centeredness, self-centered, all the stuff coming out of the self-grasping into the wisdom of Vajrayogini. Okay, so take a moment to rest in the echo of your experience today, being a Vajrayogini, being in the mandala of Vajrayogini. That direct experience is also empty of any intrinsic entity we cannot cling on to. Therefore, it's beautiful. It has a meaning. It has a karmic consequences. Everything functions perfectly. Again, I want you to reflect on the self, the I, me, at this moment, without again slapping the concept, gently asking yourself, where do I cling to a fixed me? Where do I mistake others as unchanging, separate, or real in themselves? How would life feel if I could see more clearly, more accurately, according to the reality, not through the lens of ego self, but with the spaciousness of interdependence, emptiness, wisdom, the nature of Vajrayogini. Now let the question or your answer settle into your heart. Breathe emptiness. It is the opening through which compassion flows spontaneously, unexhaustedly, without any exhaustion, without the fixed borders between self and others, prefer and unpreferred. We are free to care, to give, to love fully as an embodiment of awakened mind. Now bring your attention back to your body, awareness, breath. Rest in the simplicity or freshness of each moment. May this practice continue to help all beings see truly, clearly, and live with confidence, courage, compassion, and wisdom. May we all together walk the path that Vajrayogini presenting with a steady mind and open hearts.